Hi there. In this video I'll show you how to merge multiple Google Sheets files into a single spreadsheet. You will be able to consolidate data from multiple spreadsheets into one sheet automatically without having to copy and paste data manually or create complex formulas. In this example I'll merge data from the 2 employee timesheets into a master spreadsheet. So let's get started. These are the employee timesheets I'll merge data from. Here I keep track of the number of hours each employee has worked. Now I want to create a spreadsheet to consolidate all the data in a single file. I'll use the Sheetgo add-in to transfer data between files automatically. You can import all the data with a few clicks and update the destination file automatically. First, I'll open your destination spreadsheet. Click Extensions, then choose Add-ons in the menu bar. Now select Get Add-ons. Type Sheetgo in the search bar. Choose Sheetgo and click on Install. Then, click Continue. Now you can sign in with your Google account. Choose your account. Sheetgo add-on needs to access your Google account. Click Allow. Then, click Next and click Done. Now you're ready to start using the Sheetgo add-on. Click Extensions and then click on the Sheetgo add-on. Then click Start. The add-on should open up on the right-hand side of your screen. Answer these quick questions. Under the Import Data section, click Select Data. Now I'll click Sheet Files to choose my source files. Before you connect your spreadsheets, you need to give Sheetgo access to your Google Drive. Click Grant Permission. Select the account you want to connect with Sheetgo. Then click Allow. I'll choose the files. Select the tabs you want to import data from. I'll choose Timesheet. Now press Advanced Settings. Click Add New Column and select Source File Name. Sheetgo will create an extra column in the Destination tab to help you keep track of all the changes. Whenever the connection is updated, the source file name will be added automatically to this extra column. Once finished, click Next Step. Now press Add Data Processor to choose how you want to process your data. You can choose Filter if you want to filter only specific information, or you can choose Merge if you want to combine data from multiple sources. I'll select Merge because I want to consolidate data from my source files. I don't need to choose a destination file because I'm already in it. So I'll click Finish and Save to create the connection. Now that I've created the connection, I'll press Run to start merging the data. As you can see, Sheetgo has created new tabs and merged the data from the source files into my destination spreadsheet. To make sure your connection is always up to date, you can schedule automatic updates as often as you need. The workflow will then update automatically, without you having to open Sheetgo or either of your spreadsheets. There you have it. Your connection is up and running. If you want to create even more powerful workflows, check out our web app. Click the link in the description below in order to sign up and start using it. With the Sheetgo web application, you can manage your entire workflow and use data visualization tools to gain valuable insights. That's how you can merge multiple Google Sheets into a single spreadsheet. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.